Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another special episode of I Bought It So You Don't Have To. Today we're doing a full unboxing of the latest Ipsy mystery bag, you guys. Ipsy has gotten to the point that they are pumping these out every single month. So I try to purchase all of them to share them here on YouTube. That way you guys can see what's inside of them before purchasing them. Because sometimes they're not worth it. Let's be honest, okay? Like, sometimes they are not good bags. So we're gonna be checking out the latest mystery bag today, and we're gonna see if it's worth it or not. So this mystery bag is called the Magenta Crush bag. It is supposed to feature 5 sample-sized products inside of it. You can purchase it right now on Ipsy if you are interested in it. I have a link listed down below and it shows that it is still available. Ooh, it is magenta. Oh my gosh, I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors to do for eyeshadow, you guys. I love a hot magenta look, and it goes with so much. You can do this with white if you want to. You can do it with a purple look. You can do it with black and go for this really like hot rock look. Like I'm telling you, magenta is a really fun color to play with. So this bag, it's beautiful. I love the color. This is what it looks like here with the zipper on the front. So this zipper is a blue, it's kind of like a royal blue color, but I love that it's got this distressed faux leather vibe. Like, you see how it's got kind of these wrinkles and lines all over it. I love that. Oh, and there's lips. Look at that on the keychain. There's actually lips. This feels really good, you guys. So this bag feels a lot nicer and made better than a lot of the other Ipsy glam bags are. So on quality, this feels like it's gonna hold up much better. So I do like that. I feel like I can recommend the bag already to you guys, that at least for the bag portion, this seems worth it. Oh, and there's lips inside. So inside, there's also lips for the lining as well, and it's the whole bag. So I do love that, you guys. So first item that I have inside of this bag is from Keys Soul Care. This is one of the brands that Ipsy did advertise would be in the mystery bag. So I like that we did get this product. This is the Renewing Body and Hand Wash Gel. Oh, it's just soap. Okay. So this is what it looks like here for our sample. I was hoping it was something from her skincare line, but this is just a hand gel is all it is. So it is made with shea butter and honey as well. It's dermatologist tested, and it features shea and cocoa butters. So it's a rich, hydrating, calming ingredients that are in here. So this formula is supposed to be a very soft, gentle formula. So I don't think this is bad to have in here. I like the brand. I wish it would have been skincare, but I will still use this product. The next item that I have in here is from Appeal Cosmetics. This is an exfoliating sugar body scrub, and the scent is Melon Crush. So this is what your packaging will look like. I'm wondering if this was like, with the heart, it makes me think it was like a Valentine's Day promo or something like that, but I'm not really sure if it was or wasn't. But this is a cruelty-free brand. This is 30 ml or 1 ounce, so it's also good size, but it mentions that this is exfoliating. It's got the sugar crystals in here, so it will break down like any sort of texture that you might have. Let's see about the melon scent. Oh, definitely melon. It's a melon of honeydew is what it smells like. It smells exactly like honeydew. I also have included in here from Paradox. This is a hair product. It is the Game Changer Hair Mask. So this mask will help to give your hair hydration. So you'll put this on clean, damp hair, and you're gonna let it sit there for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse it off afterwards. It is a vegan product. It is a sustainable product. It also is going to feature kelp seaweed inside of this. So it's designed to give you that hydration by means of plant-based ingredients. I do like that there's a lot in here, because typically with hair care products, you need a lot to really try it out to know if you're gonna like it or not. So this being a full ounce, at least you'll get several uses out of it, depending on how much hair you have. But even with my long hair, I'm going to be able to try this a few times. And I typically will only do a hair mask about once a week anyways. So it's not like you need a ton of this because you're not doing it daily. But I like this. I think it's good size. I know the brand. So far this is going very well. I can't believe I just said that, you guys. I cannot believe an Ipsy mystery bag, and I'm saying it's going really well. The next item that I have in here is from Ciate London. We have the Glow 2 highlighter. Now the shade that we have on this is Starburst. So it is going to be a single pan of highlighter. Oh, and there's stars. I love it. So this is your gorgeous highlighter that we have down here. And then there are actual stars all pressed into the pigment. So it's very cute, you guys. But I do think this is a gorgeous shade. I actually think this is a really nice shade that I can definitely use. It is cruelty-free, and it even mentions that it's PETA approved, but it's 2.5 grams for the total weight on this. I like this one though. I will use it. It's a perfect shade. It's a nice kind of golden shimmer, so you can just add it and it will give you a little touch of glowiness. So I think this is really pretty, you guys. What is going on? Like, this is going very well. Last item inside of this mystery bag today is from Kora's. They're a really great skincare company. This is their Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. So it's 20 ml, definitely just a travel size. This is a cruelty-free brand, and this gel cream will feature probiotics inside of this moisturizer, so it should be hydrating for you. It does mention that it's safe for sensitive skin as well and dermatologist tested, and it is 95% natural origin content. So as far as your ingredients go, there are a lot of them, but I will say there's a lot of plant-based ingredients in here. Like, it's got different aloes in here. There's definitely some glycerin, water as well. So it does seem like there's honeysuckle, lots of different plant ingredients, even ginger root was mentioned. So this should be a fairly safe product for everyone to use. I mean, this was way better than I thought it was going to be, you guys. So that is everything inside of the Magenta Crush bag from Ipsy right now. I'm really surprised. But from start to finish, I like what I see. I love the bag. I think that is a really good starting point. It feels like a quality bag. Also, I'm telling you guys, this interior, look at how cute this is. Like, it's just so adorable. It's made really well, so love that. As far as the brands go, I do think they're decent brands in here. I like that they're all different products, but they're all products that I will use. I'll use the hair mask. I will use the body gel wash. Like I said, that one's the only one that I'm kind of like, eh. But I mean, I'll use that. The highlighter is gorgeous. Moisturizer, I also like the sugar scrub. So, I mean, it's good sizes. They're not like these tiny little 3 ml of products either. I feel like this was a good box. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this mystery bag. But I honestly think this is pretty good. So I feel comfortable in saying that if you enjoyed all of these products, this would be worth it for you guys to check it out at least. I'm satisfied at least with this today. So this could have went a whole lot worse, but I actually don't think this is that bad of a mystery bag. I know, I can't believe it either, you guys. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye.